Say hi. Marley. Don't be camera shy.
And I went to my second university. I was electrical and my background. And then I went on to do research. And
Marley.
at my second university, someone said, here you have different performance.
See if I can get you to make the noises.
And I couldn't write anything. I'm not much of a writer.
You mad? Huh? You pissed off? Huh? Huh? What you gonna do? Huh? Huh? You gonna make noise? Huh? You gonna make noises? Huh? Huh? Marley. Tail wagging. Oh yeah, you want to play. Marley.